Good afternoon, everyone. It is July 16th, Thursday, third period here at KIT Iizuka. This is the last class that we have to practice for the speaking test and your last opportunity to ask me any questions before we go into the next 2 weeks. Looking at the next 2 weeks, first of all, next week is your review quiz. That will be very much like the midterm test. It will be on Moodle. So as long as you have at least your cell phone, you can take the test. But I recommend that you make sure that your computer is good, the battery is good, that you have your headphones, wired headphones, wireless headphones, doesn't matter. And I suggest also even that you bring the recharger for your computer just in case. After the quiz, and the quiz, I won't be able to say this very much next week, but you still have a reflection next week. Reflection 14 is your last reflection. That will be due the same Friday. And then after that will be the conversation test. I want to make sure that everybody has their partners for the conversation test, although I think this class is okay. And if you have any questions about that, please make sure that you ask me before we finish up today. Last week was your partner name and student submission, so I want to make sure that's okay this week. Also, I gave you the semester feedback last week, and it looks like 6 people have answered, and that's good. But please, I would like to hear your opinions on this. So before you become too busy with your tests and your reports, only 2 questions. They're in Japanese, so you can answer in Japanese if you want. And I'd like to hear your opinions before you become too busy. So if you have even just 5 minutes, you can answer that, I think. It's very easy. Okay, and then this week, we're going to do some shadowing with this article. So we'll read that, and then we'll shadow talk it. And then let's see here. Okay, this isn't your class. This is second period, but it's okay. It's the same information. And then, where are we here? Whoa, what happened there? Okay, and the group conversation test, if you have any questions for that, just ask me. And as you remember, my email is jdmcruz@gmail.com. You can contact me there or come and talk to me here in class. Thanks very much, everybody. Have a good class.